In this video, we show you how to create and edit the text field when printing labels. To activate the text field, just click on the respective plus in the bottom left corner. The text field then appears in the editing window. The new text field can be aligned and resized using the position functions in the upper right menu. In addition, the text can also be aligned left, right or centered. The available fonts are Arial, Times New Roman and JUNG Single Regular. The font size can be adjusted regarding to the size of the selected symbol on the right. After selecting the editing window, the text can be centered again. Double-click on the text field to change the text. The arrow key next to the font size can be used to change the font color. Below that, you find icons to display the text into bold or italics.